Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Mime obi bia akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Etiefo mo se enkrata mienu eda mo screen nenim sisia. Na enkrata mienu ni na no eyade a free Ministry of Roads and Highways. Baako eba on the 17th of November. Ena baako eba on the 18th of November. And there yes our report yi 19th of November. Enti baako ba endra baako nso ba endrechi. Na me hu ne se enkrofobia wo mo enim embramu eka se minister anensa ehye enkrata we ase ya nhwe ne ye a minister no NDC for ba wo mo ebetumi achenatum for causing financial loss to the state. The enkrofo eka no minister ne ye frɛ no Honorable Kwesi Amoako Ata wasanso MP. The entire nkrofo can say causing financial loss to the state. Now, yentre ensem ni mo. Onim say Endrechi ena budget reading no ekoso. Na say one thing a free budget ni mo eba ene say aban say sisia no Ghana yenje road tolls biom. Na tre say senia ekwan yegigi to ewo kwan ho no ana kwan so no aban se saa de no wonye biom odi ni na aba behye mobile money mu because yesi mobile money no se yegigi no a yebenya ska asin road tolls a yegigi no na aban ana financial minister na okokan sa asem no ewo parliament ewie ya na sa enwumre no letter na ewo benkum so no letter mienu na da screen ne so no de ewo benkum so no a free Ministry of Roads and Highways ebae. Na me pesa me kenkan letter no emamo na me tramo ende asemo a letter no ede aba. Now this is the letter. O say press release cessation of road and bridge toll collection nationwide. As following the presentation of the 2022 budget by the Honorable Minister of Finance on behalf of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana on Wednesday, November 17th, 2021, the Ministry of Roads and Highways hereby directs the cessation of the collection of road and bridge tolls at all locations nationwide. This directive takes effect from 12 a.m. on Thursday, November 18th, 2021. The Motor Traffic and Transport Department, MTTD, of the Ghana Police Service will be on hand to provide security at the toll locations from the effective date. As the motorists are kindly advised to approach the locations with caution and observe all safety measures that will be put in place. I say the motoring public will be advised of further measures in due course. Minister no ebe release in Semeka say, oh, esan say finance minister wakoko kan budget finance minister akase sisia no Ghana yenje etobium no from a year the next day, which was Endra, road tolls no mo bia njibium. In fact, ebesi sa no na womo moye adwuma ewo toll booth me krafe womo aka womo hu de womo ye omo ho nkrofo ko interview mo say no bia Endra ya ye be adwuma ye de nim sa de we besi ende ya trese ho na ye lusu ye adwuma. Nkrofo bia wo nso etonto won se ya na nkrofo bi ton nsuo ni plantain chips se ne nyama e wo roto o mo se ene sa ese di amo ase ye djuma o madam fo bi kra minim no o si wo bia wo nim no ekofa plantain chips 800 cedis for the week o de nisika akwa shem because o ye djuma o sa toll booth no oba ya ye se ye njiji tobium to se nisika abono ena madam for no ede 800 cedis no man no say o de 800 cedis na enya. Now the problem with this letter, and clearly in this letter the minister was stating say based on the budget reading na you see yenji to no the next day my yenji. The problem with this letter ne say the minister should have known say finance minister eba be read budget ewo parliament enye enimonimu ho na ena nsem a yaka wo budget nim ne yedi yedwuma afiansa MPs no ebetena ase for about 2 weeks no mo debate wa asem ne so no mo akyere se budget na wo de aba no aha sei yebeji atum aha sei yenji ntum ansa na budget no yede aye edwuma inti se yede aba budget mu ne yeka se roto yenjiji bioma e wo se ye hu debate inti wo minister won sanso eye MP no na ke wo se woni made we you don't just wake up the next day and tell people say hey roto no yaka wo budget mu inti roto no mamu njiji biom da bi debate ne kranya mba so inti sa de na minister ne ye na etia parliament etia mra e wo Ghana inti endra speaker of parliament na ne buefu ye and the speaker of parliament ka say na minister we wati bi da say saying and ABB saying the speaker of parliament also that and you see yesterday they see and say no kre roto sana e wo Ghana ni na no wo bia nko ho se wo koye adwuma inti na say Ghana for free inti during the day one day sika yenya as tax and rotos no minister ni mistake a wo ye enti sika na Ghana ti speaker of parliament bufu ye and then speaker of parliament ma order said that be yanya ne sa ma wo monko biom na wo monko gigi roto no afiance ye be ye wo debate ye hu debate ni ye gitumu a na mo ayeden na mo amasa order no itiam se ndra minister ni hu say ye we dibone senya wo be release statement no ema afei Ghana yanjiji tuo road tolls that day no ema Ghana sebe sike wo say yenya bi ahwe yen no na minister na the second letter na ewo onsa nifa so no eba na me reading trail we read the letter na obesere kwa o say clarification on cessation on road and bridge tolls nationwide. As following the presentation of the 2022 budget statement and economic policy of government by the Honorable Minister of Finance on behalf of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, on Wednesday, November 17, 2021, the Ministry of Roads and Highways directed the cessation of the collection of road and bridge tolls effective 12 a.m. on Thursday, November 18, 2021. Also, the ministry is aware that the statement on the road and bridge tolls by the Minister of Finance as captured under paragraph 306 of the 2022 budget was to the effect that the cessation will be triggered immediately after Parliament approves the budget. Into wababa betro wa ha say, wonu minister na ministry no munim. Say oh, ni enim say ade ne de na nke wo say Parliament ekasa wo so ewie ansana ye masa directive no. O say no wonim. Now, yenko obi a wonim no de ntia e na wanye. O say unfortunately, the Minister of Finance's statement either got misunderstood or misinterpreted by some motorists, as many of them deemed the statement as having immediate effect and therefore decided not to pay the road and bridge tolls. The insistence of the toll collectors to have the tolls paid caused serious confusion and in some cases resulted in fiscaps and damage to lives and property. It was to avert further unfortunate incidents that the ministry intervened by issuing the directive. We asre sama akwa. Minister na sama can say, oh, finance minister kwa ka say mayenjiji tuo biom no. Ghana for so de beto Ghana for so. Onu ni mistake awaye no. Minister ni mistake awaye no so de beto Ghana for so. Minister ne say Ghana for finance minister ne kan sa ade ne wie ye no yen Ghana fo a ye twi kan ne nyama no yen ne yanti asem na se na yen ene ye koto ho ene ye ka se yen tia nti ye ka se yen tia no ebeda ne ntokwa ema ebimo ye just say was it damage to some lives na just say ebimo wuye just say nkrofo okun ye ama ebimo praye ama ebimo wuye because Ghana fo ene ye ka se minister kan nti ade na still mu gigi yen to enu hunti enam oma order no say ende mamu njibium etiefo asem way intimisreo wo Ministry of Transport and then sabi uye security minister na uye national security minister Are you a security agency? Are you a security official? So a ministry that has nothing to do with any security official can ohun say o asem aba ntokwa aba ntino wono ankasa betimi ama order say and the munjai etuo na mojeje no ade ye nkola. Some listen, give us respect. Mumbu yen kakra wati. Give us respect. Wankasa in your letter, one mayati as say moi order police for our more MTTD. So womun ko road tolls or any bridges for no. Moi order police for say womun ko ho. Wankasa in your letter. Asemwa waka no. Afede obeka tren say na entokwesi wo ho nti na wo si yen inti police for no mo kono. Se entokwesi wo ho a police won to me nko ho. Inti wo ka tren say ende Ghana for entokwesi wo baby a obeka say oh police for yen from mo say wo mo nko ho. Wankasa do pebeka say ende services na mo render wo ho no. Munja yen fa ne say Ghana for bia sorry no mo akọ passport office. Na omako passport officer na ntokwesi wo passport officer wo ka tell me say eho minister ebe tro enkrata ababonte say because ntokwesi wo passport office nti ma passport office bia wo Ghana bia anya ejuma asem wa minister no wo ka no sabe Ghana ha ye we tolls no ana toll booth no eye ba ko pe na wo Ghana na. In your letter you've said say nationwide toll booths ni na tolls ni na wo mun close down afei unhu sa aseme ba no wo be ka tre yen say toll booth no eho na ntokwa esi toll booths de hin na ntokwa esi de wo Ghana ni na ntokwa esi ana because me toll booths bi be me ntokwa nsi wo ho adenti na eho wo ma ye closing it down ena maka no enti wo bi ko passport office so wo koye passport na afei ntokwa ko si wo ho. Who got them say minister for foreign affairs say them say no passport office. Minister for foreign affairs that trunk krata Ghana for say okay passport office ni na yen closing it down. Sento kwesi for passport office ba baby ba kwa. Minister nbeka say yen close the passport office ni down. What would the minister do? The minister will inform the police or national security. Now saying MPP for mobile one ma military for ba than the police for. In fact nanka mumpo mo the police for military for be kwa ho nanka mo be send military for say oh mo nko to buto na nkrofo bi kon wo ho nanka nye no ano no soldiers for ni do ho na nanka asem eto ntwa one obehu military ni na still ana soldier ni na waye na adwen say o still obekon unhu sa asem ba minister ni hu sa asem ba no he say ye de subo na be boy yen o. What they be boy and say yen ni ye ko kun wo ntia na meanwhile in the prayer radi Yesu Christ same men kreni just a Ghana there just say would you ho kra won tia you. Meanwhile in the previous letter you said the reason why you are doing that is based on finance minister Samuel Babeka of parliament. In your letter now, Woka say you're closing it down. One can to kwesi wo ho. O say because of due to you can't due to I say and na madie we sunti. O say adienti a wo ma ye closing it down na ma ye njiji to from Endra. And say finance minister kwa say ma ye njiji to biom. Asem a wakan Ghanaian politicians. See, give us some respect ye bimo and amaka no. Nkrofo bi wo ho a asem no mbefa ne sa no mo agedi but some of us we've gone to school so at least we know how to read, we understand, you see logical reasoning, we can give us some level of respect. You can easily come out, oh you got it wrong. Ghana for years they be mo be basho all right but better than idea why you there. Even the people who want to defend you, they can't defend you. Majority leader Ose chairman sabunsu na adwin say will defend you parliament because hwese na parliamentarians no bia shout won so because clearly obi anim say masa yenya nkola wo man we mu inti de nkrofo kan ene say because minister no wama Ghana yesika for one day ashriyen toll booths sika ashriyen for one day due to no any mistake inti wan hwe ni ye na NDC for ba ye betumi a charge no for causing financial loss to the states. Because indeed, due to that action sika was say yenya doing that day no you lose into yes the state lose into so betua and I say send your nkrofo kan no now the nkrata the ewoni fa so no men read enwie I say the ministry wished to assure the action taken was to suspend the operationalism of the collection of tolls and not to suspend the law. The ministry is aware of Parliament's role in the imposition of taxes and the fixing of levies and charges, and in the fullness of time, the appropriate thing will be done. Public Affairs Unit, Ministry of Roads and Highways. Inti enkrata mienu no, no. But the second one no, say minister no, unlike the first one no. On the first one, the minister and the signature, was here. Second one, the signature in yes, here. Intino, yeah, but some no, and no. Won't try my comment box no more. It's here for Medasi.